Ayan, so here, dito na tayo sa last topic natin for engineering surveys for Module 1, itong transit surveying. So dito, traverse, a series of lines connecting successive points whose lengths and directions have been determined from field measurement. So ito, ginagamit itong transit surveying ng mga geodetic engineering kapag nagsusukat ng mga lupa. Ayan, so ginagamit nila to for surveying para makukuha sila ng mga data. Ayan, so traverse stations, only temporary or permanent point of reference over which the instrument is set up. And traverse lines are lines connecting traverse station and whose lengths and directions are determined. Ayan, so dito, meron tayong dalawang types of traverse, itong open compass traverse, closed compass traverse. Ayan. So dito, for any closed traverse, ito, may mga conditions siya. And then ito, meron tayong steps for computation and adjustments required for a closed traverse. Ayan. So dito, meron tayong 6 steps. So you can, ano na lang yan, basahin na lang natin. Ayan. Next dito tayo for latitudes and departures. So ang latitude of a line, ito yung projection onto the north or south lines. So, referred to as northings or southings. So, yung north, equivalent nun is positive. And then, yung south natin is negative. So, yan. So, dito. So, kapag north, positive. Kapag south, negative. So, ito yung latitude natin. Yan, latitude. And then, next is departure of a line. So, ito yung projection onto the east or west line. So, referred to as eastings or westings. So, yung equivalent ng east, so positive yon, and then west naman is negative. Ayan. So, dito meron tayong nasukat na line, so that is the distance, and then meron tayong angle dito, ito yung angle, that is the bearing. So, kukunin natin yung latitude natin and then the departure. Ayan. So, kapag north, positive, kapag south naman, negative. Ayan. Kapag sa departure, kapag paganon, east, positive, kapag west, that is negative. Ayan. So, dito, meron tayong linear error of closure or the LEC. So, LEC is equal to square root lang yan ng CL squared plus CD squared. Ayan. And then, square root natin. So, yung CL, ito yung closure in latitude of the algebraic sum of north and south latitude. And then, the CD, ito yung closure in departure of algebraic sum or summation of east and then the west departure. So, yung theta natin, ito yung bearing of the side of error. So, para makuha yung ito, theta natin or the angle, so gamit tayo ng tangent theta is equal to negative CD divided by negative CL. Ayan. So, yan yung mga natin for transit surveying. So, ito yung sample problem natin, sample problem for transit surveying. So, ito, for a given data from a survey, determine the following. So, latitude and departures, linear error of closure, direction of the side of error, and precision of measurement made. So, dito, nakatabulate naman na, ito yung galing sa survey. So, ito yung mga data natin, and then length, and then bearing. So, kukunin natin yung latitudes and departure. So, dito, next slide lang tayo. So, dito, compute natin yung latitude natin and then the departure. Ayan. So, dito, para mas madali yung pag-compute natin dito, para makuha natin yung latitude and departure. So, di ba, ang normal way na pagkuha ng latitude and departure, di ba, ang latitude is equal to length and then cosine, and then times the bearing. Ayan. And then, yung departure naman is length and then sine the bearing. So, ganun yung pagkuha. So, yung gagawin natin para mas madali is kunin na lang natin yung Caltech natin. Ayan. So, calculator. So, Caltech natin. So, ang gamit natin is the Canon. Ito, F7 89 SGA. Ayan. So, Caltech tayo. So, ang gagawin natin dito, so mode, on nyo muna. Ayan, mode. Pindutin nyo yung mode. Mode 2, yung complex natin. So, mode 2, complex. Ayan. So, 2, ayan, complex. And then, gawa lang tayo ng equation natin. So, let's say alpha A. Ayan, alpha A. And then, pindot natin yung angle natin, and then alpha B. So, paano mapapalabas yung ito? Pindot nyo lang yung, yung integral. Yung integral sign, yung ganyan. And then, pindot nyo lang yan, and then nasa taas ito. So, pindot nyo yan. So, automatic na, lalabas na yan kasi nga naka-complex mode tayo. And then, alpha B. Ayan, so meron na tayong equation. And then, dito natin ipipindot. So, yung length, let's say, ito na lang yung A natin. And then, yung B is the bearing. Ayan, so pwede na tayong mag-start. So, solve or calc. Ayan, so magtatanong yan, yung value ng A. So, ipindot natin ito. Ayan, 445.66 is equal nyo lang. And then, magtatanong ulit yung value ng B. So, ipindot natin ito. So, diretso lang yan. 6 degrees, 35 minutes. Ayan, so equals. So, 442. Ayan, so sa latitude, yun yung 442.721. So, isunod lang natin. So, dito yung south. So, 442.721. And then, parang 4. 721. And then, yung west, ayan. Yung west, that is 51. 51.094. Ayan, so, ganon. Yan, next natin, pindot ulit, calc. So, magtatanong ulit yung A. So, ilagay natin to. 326.73, pindot, 7. So, that is 3. So, dito, north. Ayan, north. So, 311.089. And then, west. Ayan, yung west. So, 99. So, this is departure, 99.880 na lang. 880. And then, next tayo. So, ito. Compute ulit. Solve. So, 34.5. Then, 70 degrees. 59 minutes. Ayan. So, 141. So, yung latitude is 141.579. And then, west, yung departure natin is sa west, so 410.787. Ayan. And then, next, pindot natin ito. Calc, so 427. And then, 59 degrees, 33 minutes. So, that is 216. So, yung latitude natin is 216 and nasa north siya. 216.398. And then the departure, 368. So, nasa east. Ayan. So, dito lagyan natin. 368.105. Ayan. Next tayo. Ito. So, plus, that is 381.95. And then, yung angle natin is 39 degrees, 18 minutes. Pindot. So, south. Ito, nandito. Ito ano lang natin. So, dito, yung latitude natin is nasa south. That is 295.568. And then, yung departure natin is nasa east. So, that is 241.920 na lang. Ayan. So, yan. So, nakuha na natin yung mga latitude natin and then the departure. So, ang gagawin natin, ito total natin yan, summation. So, let's say blue. Summation ng latitude natin, is sum up natin itong north and then the south and itong mga departure yan. So, dito total natin. So, that is, i-add lang natin lahat. So, that is 311.089 plus 141.216.398. So, that is 669.06. Ganun konti. So, 6.066. And then, yung ito, south natin. So, 442.721 plus 295.568. So, that is 738.289. Ayan. And then, yung east natin, so, 368.1 0.105 plus 241.920. So that is 610.025. And then yung west natin is 51.094 plus 99.880 plus 410.7787. Ayan. So that is 561.761. Ayan. So dito, lagyan lang natin ng mga sign. So isunod natin. So dito, so sa north, this is positive. And then dito sa south, this is negative. Negative 738.289. And then sa east, so that is positive. And then itong west, this is negative, negative 561.761. So that is negative. Kasi nga, nasa west siya. And then itong south, negative din ito. Kasi nga, nasa south siya. So, yung north and east, ayan, so positive silang dalawa. So, pwede na nating makuha yung, ano ba pinapa? Letter B, ito, linear error of closure. So, that is the LEC. So, letter B, LEC is equal to square root ng CL squared plus CD squared. So, itong CL, so makuha natin yung CL by summation ng north plus summation ng south. Natanggal ito. So that is 368.105 plus 241.920. So that is 610. Natanggal 610 to. Ayan. So CL, compute natin yung latitude. So CL, so ito yung summation ng north, that is 669.066 plus yung summation ng south natin is negative 738.289. So yung CL natin or closure in latitude is equal to 669.066 plus negative 738.289. So that is negative 69.223. Ayan. And then next tayo is the CD or the closure in departure. So yan lang is yung summation ng east and then summation ng west. Ayan. So lagay lang natin. So 610.025 plus negative 561.761. Ayan. So, compute. Makukuha natin yung sa departure. So, that is 610.025 plus negative 561.761. So, that is 48. Sorry, 48.264. Yan. So, yan yung departure natin. So, dito pwede na natin makuha yung linear error of closure natin. So, lagay natin CL, so negative 69.223 squared plus yung CD natin, so 48.264 squared, and then square root natin yan. Ayan, square root, so yung makukuha natin dyan is negative 69.223 squared plus 48.264 squared. So, makukuha natin dyan is 84.387. Ayan. So, that is the linear error of closure dito sa mga na-survey natin na data. Ayan. So, next tayo, letter B. Ano ba yung letter B natin? Direction of the side of error. So, this is the bearing. So, makukuha natin dyan. So, letter C. So, formula dyan is the tangent theta is equal to negative CD divided by negative CL. So, makuha natin yung bearing natin. So, shift tan inverse. Ayan. So, CD, negative CD. Ano ba yung CD natin? So, yung CD natin is 48.264. So, negative 48.264. And then, yung CL natin is the negative 69.223. So, minus negative 69.223. Ayan. So, compute natin. So, shift tan. Negative 48.264 minus negative 69.223. And then, ang makukuha natin dyan is 34.885. So, pindutin nyo lang yung mga degrees natin, yung degrees yung ganyan, oh. Yan. So, pindot nyo lang yon. So, makukuha nyo na yung 34 degrees, 53 minutes, 6.61 seconds. And then, yung direction natin, so dito, di ba, ito yung CL natin or the latitude. Balitan lang natin ang kulay. So, dito, di ba, ito yung latitude natin. So, pag negative, magiging positive yan. So, ito, magiging positive. So, magiging positive yan. So, that is north. And then, itong departure natin, so, since negative siya, ayan, so, negative siya. So, yung departure natin is west. So, yung direction natin, ayan, yung direction ng bearing natin, that is north, ayan, and then ito west. So, 34 degrees, 53 minutes, 61 seconds northwest. Ayan, so pwede natin itong gawing minutes. So, convert lang natin yan. So, 6.61 seconds. Diba, ang 1 minute ay equivalent lang siya sa 60 seconds. So, compute natin yan. So, makuha natin dyan is 61 times 1 over 60. So, makuha natin dyan is 0.11 minutes. Ayan. So, idagdag lang natin dito. .11 minutes. Ayan. So, yan yung answer natin for letter C. Yan yung direction natin. So, that is 34 degrees, 53.11 minutes northwest. Ayan. So, letter D. Ayan, letter D na tayo. For letter D, ano yung letter D natin? Precision of measurement made. So, precision yung hinahanap. So, makukuha natin yan sa lek divided by yung total distance natin. So, ano ba yung lek natin? So, that is 84.387 divided by yung total distance natin, which is 215.84. Ayan, tama ba? 84.387 and 215.84. Ayan, so compute natin. Divided by 215.84. So, makuha natin dyan is 0. So, dito na lang. So, yung precision natin is 0.04. So, 3 decimal places na lang tayo. So, 42. So, yan yung precision natin. Ayan. So, yan yung mga sagot natin for this sample problem sa transit surveying. Ayan. So, I hope na naintindihan natin yung mga paano pagkuha ng latitude and departure, linear of closure, direction of side of error, and then the precision. Ayan. Ayan. So, thank you for listening. Ayan.